Test if executable exists in Python? In Python, is there a portable and simple way to test if an executable program exists? By simple I mean something like the which command, which would be just perfect. I don't want to search path manually or something involving trying to execute it with open and owl and see if it fails. That's what I'm doing now, but imagine it's launch missiles.
Easiest way I can think of. Edit, updated code sample to include logic for handling case where provided argument is already a full path to the executable, i.e. which/bin/ls. This mimics the behavior of the Unix which command. Edit, updated to use os.path.isFile instead of os.path.exists for comments. Edit, path.strip comma seems like the wrong thing to do here. Neither Windows nor POSIX appear to encourage quoted path items.
I know this is an ancient question, but you can use distdoodles.spawn.find_executable. This has been documented since Python 2.4 and has existed since Python 1.6. Also, Python 3.3 now offers shuttle.which.
Use shuttle.which from Python's wonderful standard library. Batteries included.
For Python 3.3 and later. As a one-liner of Jan Philip book answer. As a def. For Python 3.2 and earlier. This is a one-liner of J's answer, also here as a lambda func. Or lastly indented as a function.